Candymonium has opened at Pennsylvania's Hersherpark. The Bolliger Mabillard hypercoaster anchors the park's 2020 expansion project, which also includes the new Hershey's Chocolate Town entrance plaza. Candymonium features a top speed of 76 miles an hour following a 210-foot drop on a 4,636-foot run, making this the park's longest, tallest, and fastest roller coaster. The layout features 7 camelback hills and a 123-degree hammerhead curve, finishing with a bank curve that wraps around the park's new icon, the Kisses Fountain. The coaster's 3 trains will be colored and themed to Hershey's Kisses candies, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, and Twizzlers Twists.